Ah, it tastes like coconut. Metal. Oh, wow, yeah!
Hello and welcome to another episode of Binging with Babish. No, this isn't that show, it's just the setup I've gone with today. Total by accident, total coincidence. But today we are talking arc reactors. This is somewhat sub-assembled. It does come apart. But I just want to talk you through the printing process, where I got the files, where I got the parts, how I'm able to power it, and fabricating it, or painting, sanding, priming, the whole works. And a few things I want to discuss in regards to 3D printing. Some things come out good, some things not so much. But yeah, this is stage one of a full Mk./42, Mk./III Iron Man build. It's pretty ambitious, I'd say, because I know nothing about 3D printing, because I got 3D printed 2 weeks ago. Nothing about painting, nothing about being able to put it on. I'm just going to have to overcome every challenge as it presents itself. And one of the main challenges is these 3D parts. Now, I've done this twice, tried to play around with some settings. So as you can see here, there are some supports on the inside that look great, but they don't always come out okay. Sometimes they break in the cleanup. You can see that. So I think it looks a lot cleaner, for at least my first one anyway. I'm gonna clip them. I'm gonna clip them all. The ambition is to produce these and potentially sell them online. I think a great display piece. As you can see, this is Mark 1. Didn't really come out the bottom there compared to the full detail of the second print. Okay, you can see it in the reflections like that. But yeah, support wise, on the inside, it just looks a lot cleaner. But yeah, so printed all of these parts. I do need to do some wiring. I got these wires off AliExpress. It came in like 10 days. And cost me like €12. And you can change the colours, blue to red to green, white, auto mode, nice and sparkly. Change the brightness, so you can see that blue, super bright. So I think that would look pretty good. The white setting, call it my chest. But that is the project. It's just hooked up to a power bank, and I got this glass piece laser cut, and it fits perfectly flush. Not coming out. Beautiful. But what I do need to do is snip the wires that are through here. This is where the palladium would go. And mount it on to this. I do need to prime and sand these. But what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to super glue all these small parts. Again, these are very detailed, very finicky. So we need to go once over. But I think just so I can manage it a bit better, to glue all of this in place. I'm just using some glue I got online. I just needed super glue. I tried using epoxy resin. It's just messy, and it didn't always stick properly. I didn't get the correct ratio, I don't think. Yeah, I'll speed this bit up. There we go. One arc reactor base. What I'll do is finish this up, spray paint it, and then eventually what I'll have to do is to cut this off, thread it through the hole, and have it permanently in place. Yeah, just need a bit of a cleanup, a bit of spray paint, and away to go. Okay, and we are back. As you can see, we're a little further along. The Iron Man helmet has been painted and it's come out pretty well. It's not perfect, but it will do. I'm very pleased at how the colours come out. I think it's come out pretty bang on. Love a little bit of the sheen. I don't like it too reflective for some weird reason. We've started making some progress on the repulsor. I've got some fingers printed out as well as the back of the hand. Just got to get a glove to mount that all to, and then this is the spray painted pieces of what we were talking about earlier. I've just gone with a silver. That is it. So what's left to do now is to complete this. What I did also was to add some little plastic sheeting on the inside. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there is a bit of a plastic strip in there just to complete the whole look. So I'll pop that back on. Just got to get this in here, and I am a little worried about cutting wires, but we'll see how we get on.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think we're back again. I had some glue issues and some electrical issues. That should go into there. Hopefully we still have power. I'm not going to finish gluing this today because I'm annoyed with that little plastic strip. But essentially, that's what's going to be there. That's what we're going for. I don't think that's bad for my first attempt. But yeah, I've got some wiring issues to sort. I've got some plastic issues to sort. But we'll be back with a bit more of an update. Maybe this will be finished by then. But yeah, thanks for sticking around. And I'll see you in the next one.